Welcome back, Gearheads. This is Peak Gearhead, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love horsepower, torque, and next-level innovation, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Today, we have something big. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's green. We're talking about the all-new 2025 John Deere Pickup Truck. Yes, you heard that right. John Deere, a legendary name in farming and heavy-duty machinery, has entered the pickup truck market. So, is this truck just a gimmick, or does it pack enough punch to challenge the big names like Ford, Chevy, and Ram? Let's find out. Underscore 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 underscore. Design and exterior. B-roll of the truck's exterior, slow pan shots, close-ups of grille, lights, and bodywork. The first thing you notice about the John Deere pickup is its rugged, industrial design. John Deere has stayed true to its roots. This truck looks like it was built for hard work, off-road adventures, and serious hauling. Front fascia. It features a massive grille with the iconic John Deere logo right in the center. Lighting. The truck boasts LED headlights and integrated floodlights, perfect for working late in the fields or off-road camping. Build quality. It's built like a tank, with military-grade steel and reinforced aluminum panels to ensure maximum durability. Color options. Of course, you get the classic John Deere green and yellow, but there are also black, white, and deep forest green options. Underscore 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 underscore. Engine and performance. B-roll of engine bay, driving shots, off-road test. Let's talk about what's under the hood, because this beast isn't just about looks. It's a workhorse. Base engine. A 6.6L turbo diesel V8, pushing out 500 horsepower and 1,100 lb-ft of torque. That's more torque than a Ford F-350 Super Duty. Optional engine. A 3.5L twin-turbo V6 hybrid, producing 420 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque, offering better fuel efficiency. Transmission. Comes with a 10-speed automatic gearbox, ensuring smooth shifts whether you're towing a trailer or climbing steep trails. Drivetrain. Available in RWD and AWD, with an advanced 4x4 mode for tackling any terrain. Towing capacity. A jaw-dropping 20,000 pounds, making it one of the most powerful pickup trucks in its class. Underscore 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 underscore. Interior and tech. B-roll of the interior, infotainment screen, seats, digital displays. Step inside, and you'll see that this isn't just a work truck. It's a luxury machine too. John Deere has gone all out to create a comfortable and high-tech cabin. Dashboard. Features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. Seating. Premium leather and water-resistant fabric seats, built for comfort and durability. Sound system. A Bose surround sound system, perfect for long hauls or road trips. Unique features. A built-in CB radio and farm equipment control panel, allowing farmers to sync with their tractors and equipment. Underscore 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 underscore. Off-road capability. B-roll of truck climbing rocks, driving through mud and snow. You know John Deere wasn't going to make a truck that couldn't handle rough terrain. This thing is an off-road beast. Suspension. Comes with adaptive air suspension that adjusts based on the terrain. Ground clearance. A solid 14 inches, making sure you never get stuck. Skid plates and protection. Reinforced steel underbody protection to keep everything safe from rough conditions. Drive modes. Mud, Snow, sand, rock, and tow mode, whatever you throw at it, this truck can handle it. Underscore 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 underscore. Safety and driver assist, B-roll of safety features, digital display, truck reacting to obstacles. Even though this truck is built for tough work, it doesn't compromise on safety. John Deere has included the latest safety tech: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system, emergency braking and collision avoidance. Underscore 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 underscore. Price and trim levels. B-roll of truck showroom. Price tag appearing on screen. Now, let's talk about pricing. How much does all this power, tech, and off-road capability cost? Base model Workhorse Edition starts at $55,000. Mid-level Trail Boss Edition priced at $65,000. Top tier John Deere Ultimate Edition with all the bells and whistles. It comes in at $85,000. Considering its power, durability, and unique John Deere heritage, this truck is definitely worth every dollar. Underscore 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 underscore. Final thoughts. B-roll of truck driving into the sunset off-road shots. So, what do we think about the 2025 John Deere pickup truck? It's powerful, rugged, and built for real work. Whether you're a farmer, rancher, off-road enthusiast, or someone who just loves a unique, heavy-duty pickup, this truck is a serious contender in the market. But we want to hear from you. Would you buy the John Deere pickup? Do you think it's a real competitor to Ford, Ram, and Chevy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Peak Gearhead. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your gears shifting. See you in the next one.